Today I'm going to explain file handling in Java with two questions. File handling allows us to store data permanently in the form of files. In Java, file handling is done using streams. There are two types of streams, byte stream and character stream. Byte streams handle binary data and use classes like file input stream and file output stream. Character streams handle text data and use file reader and file writer. In the menu-driven file handling experiment, we perform different operations like creating a file, opening it, renaming, deleting, creating directories, displaying path, filtering files by extension, and checking whether a file exists. In the first question, we input multiple lines from the user until they type stop and store these lines in a text file named userdata.extension.txt file. And we do this using both character stream and byte stream. Character stream write the text directly, while byte stream convert the text into byte before writing. Let's run this program. It asks to enter the line of the text. Any text I'm writing. This is a line. Let's try. Until I type stop, the program gets executed. And now in the file operation menu, let's run the program. And here the option it asks to create a new file, whether we can pick something to create a new file or to check the file existing file or rename a file, delete, create, or find absolute path. And I click the choice one. It is asking us to create a file name. So let me create file dot a text file. Already a file is created, shows the detail like this. Now let me choose the option 5. It's asking me to create a directory. Let me create a temp directory. This directory is already created, or we can create a new directory here. Let me click the option 7, that is file in dictionary, a directory path. And in the second question, we read a text file line by line and count the total number of line used using buffer reader. Each line increase the counter, and finally we display the number of lines present in the file. Let's run this program. It shows totally there are 15 lines in the byte stream. And in another file, the file operation menu is there. So these are the two questions in file handling. One is to get input multiple lines from the user until they type stop. Another is to read a text file line by line and count the total number of lines used.